So I got this chainsaw engine, chainsaw dump, and I was thinking, what if I could make a gas RC car using the engine? Before I even get to that part, I'm gonna have to tear down this thing, get most of the plastic off, get the blade. Well, let's do that right now. Let's make sure if it runs first. 3, 2, 1. Wow, seems like it runs fine. But one problem I had was leaking gas to the exhaust. But I think it was flooded, or the mixture is too much. Whatever. I'm gonna have to adjust that. But let's start tearing this thing down and cleaning. I got this chain, like the guard part off, and where the saw part. And I have to take off. Yeah, I'll have to take off all that. There we go. Check that aside. I have to get it off. Oh, there. Perfect. That came off easy. There we go. Got the handle off. I might save that. I could use it for something. So I can't get this one bolt out. Like, I can't fit the wrench in the screwdriver. It won't like turn it. It's like stuck in there. Like this cover where like the bolt start is almost off. There's just that one stupid bolt. Okay, I finally got it to get off. I had to change the screwdriver. Oh, it's nasty, all the sawdust. There's the gas tank. Yeah, that's probably why that rope wouldn't. Cool.